A collection account can sit on your credit report for up to 7 years from the original missed payment date, even if you pay it off completely. Paying it does not automatically remove it, it only changes the status to paid, while the negative mark can still affect your credit score. By the end of this, you'll know when a collection can be removed entirely, how to dispute incorrect collections, and what options exist when the collection is accurate, but you still want it removed or updated. First thing to understand is not all collections are valid. Debt gets sold and transferred between companies, and errors happen during that process. A collection might show up without proper documentation, or the same debt might appear more than once under different agencies. Start by pulling your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Go to the collections section and look at the creditor name, balance, and original account details. Then compare that with your own records or old statements if you still have them. If something does not match, your next step is a dispute. You file it directly with the credit bureau, select the collection account, and mark it as inaccurate or not recognized. The bureau then contacts the collection agency and asks them to verify the debt. If the agency cannot prove the debt is yours or cannot provide proper documentation, the collection must be removed from your report. If they can verify it, it stays. If the collection is accurate, removal is harder, but there are still 2 realistic paths. The first is a pay-for-delete request, where you ask the collection agency to remove the account in exchange for payment. Not all agencies accept this, but some do, especially on smaller balances. The second option is a goodwill adjustment after payment. This is when you ask the agency to remove or update the collection as a courtesy after you've settled it. It is also important to understand that paying a collection does not erase it from your report. It only updates the status, which may look slightly better to lenders, but the history still exists until the 7-year reporting period expires. To avoid future collections, the most effective step is catching missed payments early. Many accounts go to collections only after multiple missed notices that were ignored or missed. To summarize, collections can only be removed if they are inaccurate or unverified. Disputes require documentation checks through credit bureaus, and accurate collections usually require negotiation or time to age off your report. A practical next step is to pull all 3 credit reports today and highlight every collection account so you can verify ownership before filing any dispute or contacting agencies. Subscribe for more simple breakdowns on fixing credit issues without confusion or guesswork.